Did you know that there are some dinosaur species that we may never find any evidence for? As I've mentioned before, fossilization is an incredibly rare process. It doesn't happen to a lot of animals and it requires ideal conditions for it to take place. An animal needs to die in an area that has an abundance of sediment, and then it needs to be buried in that sediment in order for fossilization to occur. And there's a lot of other factors that may cause some animals to not be fossilized, like scavenging, but there's also environmental reasons as to why some animals may not ever be fossilized, like animals that live strictly in the mountains. Mountain environments typically don't have a lot of sediment, at least not enough sediment for ideal fossilization to occur, and so there's possibly some animals that were adapted for mountain life that may have never been fossilized. This idea was highlighted in the book Mesozoic Art 2, with this piece right here done by the amazing Henry Sharp. It showcases a species of hadrosaur that is adapted for living on the mountains, similar to some goats today. Again, because mountain environments are not ideal for fossilization, we wouldn't know if a species like this even existed. So this piece of art right here is completely speculative. This is technically a fictional species of hadrosaur that we don't have any evidence for, but again, could have existed given what we know from these types of dinosaurs. So there are likely millions upon millions of species that we won't ever find any fossils for because they simply just never got fossilized, or it was very rare for them to get fossilized, which is just an insane and pretty sad thought overall.